Hello students, very good morning. Sanjay Purohit from Sanket Study Center. Today we would like to see Hardik question paper 3, in which only we would see comprehension and grammatical portion according to old paper style, but whatever it will be helpful to you, you must see it is. Section A, read the following passage and select the appropriate answer from the option given below. I read the passage. That evening, after I had finished the rest of my homework, the note about the essay caught my eye. I began thinking about the subject while chewing the tip of my fountain pen. Anyone could ramble on the leave big spaces between the words, but the trick was to come up with convincing arguments to prove the necessity of talking. Why one should talk? I thought, and suddenly I had an idea. I wrote the 3 pages Mr. Kessing, math teacher, had assigned me and was satisfied. I argued that talking is a student's trait or characteristic, and that I would do my best to keep it under control. But that I would never be able to cure myself of the habit since my mother talked as much as I did, if not more, and there is not much you can do about inherited trait. इनहेरिटेड मतलब कि जो हमको राइट इनहेरिटेंस में मिला है, अपने वारसे में मिला है. ट्रेट मतलब कैरेक्टरिस्टिक. क्वेश्चन आंसर है नंबर 1, व्हाट डिड एन डू आफ्टर फिनिशिंग हर होमवर्क? तो ऑप्शन डी, सी बिगेन थिंकिंग अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट. सी बिगेन थिंकिंग अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट. क्वेश्चन 2, find out the word for the meaning a statement made in such a manner that people believe it. Find out the word from the paragraph meaning a statement made in such a manner that people believe in it. Convincing argument. Convincing argument. Number 3, writer could not control her habit of talking. The writer could not control her habit of talking because option B, she had inherited habit from her mother. She had inherited habit from her mother. Number 4, very important one, that's why I have not mentioned during the paragraph. The phrase ramble on means what? The phrase ramble on means what? So option C, talk or write aimlessly for a very long time. Talk or write aimlessly without aim for a very long time. So that was the paragraph. We have concluded with question answer, 4 question answer. Nowadays only 2 question answer from one paragraph, 2 without option from next paragraph. Filling the blanks, choosing the correct words given in the bracket and right answers only. I knew that the oppressor, fifth में oppressor, must be liberated just as surely as the sixth में oppressed. A man who takes away another man's freedom, number 7 में freedom, is a prisoner of hatred. He is locked behind the bars of the prejudice and narrow mindedness. लास्ट ब्लैंक में 8 में prejudice. तो क्वेश्चन 5 में आपका आंसर है ऑपरेशर, नंबर 6 में ऑपरेस, नंबर 7 में फ्रीडम और नंबर 8 में prejudice. यहां पे आप लोग देखो, some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. So what is the belief of some people? Some people believe that this world will perish by fire. Find out a word from the stanza that means wish, which means desire. Wish का मतलब होता है desire. Now select the correct figure of speech from the option given below. Number 15. I saw it go merrily bouncing down the street. Question ये है, I saw it merrily bouncing down the street. Option A, personification is the answer. Why it is personification? Because the ball has been given the human value, human characteristic. The ball has been given a human value. That's why it is personification. Question 15 में answer A. The silence is golden. The freedom is sweet. It is metaphor. Implied comparison without using so, like or as. It has been compared silence with golden, freedom, sweet hence it is metaphor. No metonymy, no euphemism, no simile. Right? Now the next question है आपका सेक्शन सी, रेक्टिफाई द एरर्स, जो नई पेपर स्टाइल में थोड़े कम है. यहाँ पे एक एक का हाफ मार्क है और ये साल आपको एक एक मार्क है. 23, he has not always been able to fly. He has के बदले आएगा had. And commanded herself to dive. Herself के बदले आएगा himself. And soar and cows, shrieking shrill. Shrill के बदले आएगा shrilly. He is near the sea now. Is के बदले आएगा was. Flying straight above it. Above के बदले आएगा over. He see a vast green sea beneath him. C के बदले आएगा SOW, saw. तो 23 has के बदले had. has के बदले had. 24 में herself के बदले himself. 25 में shrill के बदले shrilly. 26 में is के बदले was. 27 में above के बदले over और 28 में SEE के बदले SOW. अब मैं जहां पे एम्फेसिस करूंगा, ज्यादा जोर लगाऊंगा, वो ब्लैंक होगी. सो हु हेल्प मी 29 to arrive there safely without a compass. 31 में और a radio and without any more fuel. 32 में in my tanks. Who was the pilot on the strange black aeroplane flying in the storm without lights? तो 29 में so who helped me. 29 में to arrive there safely. 30 में without a compass. 31 में और radio and without any more fuel. 32 में in my tanks. Who was the pilot? 33 में on the strange black aeroplane flying in. 34 में और 34 में the storm without lights. तो 29 TO2, 30 without, 31 or, 32 in, 33 on, and 34 the article the. Now convert the following into indirect speech. मैं पहले आपको इसका आंसर बता दूं, क्वेश्चन बता दूं, राइट. क्वेश्चन के बाद हाउ टू डू दैट, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. बहुत सारे बच्चे इसमें मिस्टेक करते हैं. Convert the following into indirect speech. Chubuko, what is that? What did you say? Natalia, Papa, send the mowers out to meadows at once. Chubuko, what did you say, sir? Natalia, oxen meadows are ours and I shan't give them up. वापिस पूरा क्वेश्चन देखो. Chubuko says, what is that? What did you say? Natalia says, Papa sent the mowers out to meadows at once. Chubuko, what did you say, sir? Natalia, oxen meadows are ours and I shan't give them up. यहाँ पे जितना जितना चुबुको का है ना, वो सभी लोमो का डायलॉग है. बराबर, चुबुको का है वो सभी का सभी लोमो का है. तो आप इतना यहाँ पे मिस्टेक हो गई है उनसे, प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है. आंसर देखो. Chubuko के बदले Lomo asked Natalia what that was and what she had said. Natalia told him to send the mowers out to meadows at once. Lomo politely asked her what she had said. Natalia replied that oxen meadows were theirs and she would not give them up. वापिस से सुनो, जहां जहां चुबुको है मिस्टेक है. मैं अगर आपको पीडीएफ भेजूं तो उसमें चुबुको के बदले लोमो कर देना. Lomo asked Natalia what that was and what she had said. Natalia told him to send the mowers out to the meadows at once. चुबुको के बदले आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है Lomo politely asked her what she had said. Natalia replied that oxen meadows were theirs and she would not give them up. अब आपके डूएस डायरेक्टेड है जो पुराने सिलेबस से है, तो एक आध दो काम के नहीं भी हो, बट आप फॉर नॉलेज यू कैन कीप इट. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 40, टर्न इनटू एक्सक्लेमेटरी, ये आपको है. इट वाज ए मैग्निफिसेंट व्यू. आंसर आएगा व्हाट ए मैग्निफिसेंट व्यू इट वाज, एक्सक्लेमेशन की साइन. What a magnificent view it was. Question 40 over. Number 41. That system had been overturned forever. That system had been overturned forever. Change the voice. Change the voice. They had overturned that system forever. They had overturned that system forever. ये आपने change the voice किया. Question 42. I wanted that breakfast. Question tag. I wanted that breakfast. Question tag. I wanted that breakfast, comma. Didn't I? Didn't I? Question mark. Question 43. Maddie was her closest friend. Maddie was her closest friend. Turn into positive degree. No other friend of hers was so close as Maddie. No other friend of hers was so close as Maddie. अगर ये सी क्वेश्चन का क्वेश्चन टैग बनाए तो Maddie was her closest friend, wasn't she? Wasn't she? Or last question. He stood in the middle. 44 number. He stood in the middle of the field and said to his son. सिंपल बनाना है. तो सिंपल बनाने के लिए आपको स्टैंडिंग इन द मिडल ऑफ द फील्ड ही सेड टू हिज सन. बट अगर ये क्वेश्चन को आपके सिलेबस में सिंपल नहीं और इंट्रोगेटिव बनाए तो कैसे बनाए? देखो इंट्रोगेटिव. He stood in the middle of the field and said to his son. Didn't he stand in the middle of the field and say to his son? Question mark. Didn't he stand in the middle of the field and say to his son? दस आओ यहाँ पे आपका जो सिलेबस में नहीं था उसका एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन डाल के मैंने आपको बताया. इफ यू फील दैट दिस वीडियो इज हेल्पिंग टू मी अ लॉट, देन not only share, like, but also subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Sanjay Purohit. Goodbye from Sanket Study Center.